Hey everybody, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. Let me show you why ISM Services was our trade of the week, even though it had a very big problem. Very often when you're trading news, you hear about slippage. Well, ISM Services had a huge move. You could see a giant candle, but if you notice, this black and red box shows where we got filled in the trade, and it was way down the candle. That means that there was a lot of orders that were not available to us because there was slippage. Slippage means that liquidity was challenged. We weren't able to get filled until the move went further than we were hoping it to go. But because there was such an excellent move overall, it went through the slippage and still gave us profit, making us profitable on the day when we were negative when we started the trade. And that is why ISM Services is our trade of the week. Let me show you the move one more time because it is very quick. And because it's very quick, that sometimes can lead to slippage. Slippage is no big deal. It doesn't happen that often where it takes away so much profit. And remember, plenty of times slippage can be positive and give you extra ticks on the exit. So it's not always a negative thing. And ISM Services was still a great move, and it's our trade of the week. So make sure you find your way into the trade room so you can learn about appointment-based trading and trade on a schedule along with us and take part in our next trade of the week. See you in the trade room.